Alright, so they finally arrived. I bought the APMEX Buffalo Nickel roll of 20. Should be full dates. Hopefully we find some good ones, some good key dates, hopefully. Who knows? It's supposed to be from 1913 to 37, so let's open this up. Alright, I unwrapped that roll. Let's go through these date by date, and later we'll see if we have any varieties, double dyes, etc. So let's take a look at the first one. 35, no mint mark. We'll look at this one later. 34, no mint mark. 36, 24, okay. 36, Denver mint mark. 25, no mint mark. 35, 28, 37, 35, another 37, 36, right, another 36. Remember, I'm going to be going through all these off camera, and I'll bring you in once I find anything good. Can barely make out that date. What is that? C9. Hold on, I'll put this in the microscope. That looks like a 1919. Wow. Okay, what is the mintage on that? That is. Okay. 1919, that's the earliest one I found. Looks like it's a regular 1919. No Denver, no San Francisco. 26, 36, network, and 30, 36, and lastly we have a 26. All in all, not too bad. Got some really good early dates. I'm going to be going through these off camera and we'll see what we get. Alright, so we're officially finished with the APMEX roll. So let's see how we did. Our first and earliest date was 1919. And then to 1924. 2 26s. 128. 129. 130. 134. And then we end up with 4 35s. The one we had the most of course, has the most mintage. The 36, we ended up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a 36D and 2 37s. So, not too bad. A good wide range of dates, but nothing low mintage. Now, those, of course, be hard to come by. So, not too bad. So we'll see you guys next time.